Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are team SKKSC Wasih from SK Kampus Lamat, Malaysia. Our project is called Eko Abdul, Turn Trash into Minecraft Treasure.
In Malaysia, most people don't separate their trash at home. Plastic, food, paper, semua campur. They make recycling harder and pollute the environment. We want to change that, starting with kids like us. Our idea is simple and fun. We will give reward Minecraft Emerald to family who spare their trash. These emeralds can be used to buy skin or maps in Minecraft.
A smart garbage truck with AI comes to collect trash. It scans and checks if the trash is sorted correctly. Then it estimates the weight and gives emeralds to the family account.
The AI uses a camera to see the trash. It decides if it's plastic, paper, or food waste. Then it gives reward based on how well it's sorted. We also create Eko Abdul, a Minecraft-style mascot. He teaches kids to recycle and celebrate with fireworks in the game when you do it right.
Our project uses AI and Minecraft to make recycling fun. Let's build a cleaner Malaysia, block by block. Thank you.